Hi guys, postman's bin. It's far too hot to do any work in my conservatory, over 100 degrees in there. So we're in my dining room, well, that's what it should be, directly under the ceiling fan, so there'll be quite a hum in the background, maybe even some wind noise. But I want to open this because I know what's in it and I want to get it on charge as quickly as possible. So we're filming this upside down. I don't think that'll matter from your point of view. Package says receiver, camera. Receiver £8.54, camera £10.40. Nah. Camera was quite a bit more money than that. Still one of those cheap action cameras, but not as cheap as I normally buy. And the receiver is an FPV monitor module, suggested by this guy, Tapas Nake 454. So, well, we'll open them up and see what we've got. I can't remember whether this was AliExpress, BangGood, or eBay. Okay. ROTG02 Eachine. I've got a pair of them. I hope they work. You plug them into your mobile phone. These should be the right ones for my Samsung, but obviously that's the one I'm filming on, so I can't actually demonstrate them at the moment. So we'll put them to one side, and then another action camera. I seem to have had quite a few of these over the years. In fact, I think I counted up the other day, certainly over a dozen of them. Looks identical to the ones that I've already got. It says electronic image stabilization, which is why I picked up this one. Can we get that on screen? So it should do image stabilization. Not too worried about 4K 60 frames per second, 1080p 120 frames per second. Those will be interesting to try out. I just want to see if it actually does image stabilization and if it's any good. Right, no instructions in there. Looks like the usual selection of bits and pieces. USB lead, various connectors, all the standard ones on your bike, on your helmet, some straps, sticky pads, wipe, spare back plate for the waterproof module, waterproof case. Some instructions. Okay, so looks okay. How about image stabilization, which is what I'm interested in? That's boring. That's the camera. Got some pretty marbling effect on it to make it look expensive. Take that off. Got a lens protector on it as well. Got any power in it? Yes, got some power in it. Welcome, it said. And it defaults to 4K 60 frames per second. It's actually indicating fully charged. Switched it off again. Okay, that didn't help. I thought I was going to get into menu mode by pressing that. Might have to read the instructions. Long. Where are we? Press the OK button to start record. Don't want to do that. Short press on OK button switches between video and photo. We're going to have to set it to English because that's all in Chinese at the moment. Hold it in for a long time. There we go, we got into the settings there. Okay, so can we change it to English? Just trying to guess at the moment. I think we'll have to come back to this later. Right. I still can't read Chinese, but working my way through the manual or leaflet or whatever you want to call it, and just sort of matching the icons, I reckon I've worked my way through to settings, photograph settings. I've set it to 1080p by 30 frames per second, as you can probably see, and then below it, distortion correction. I think I've just enabled it. I've got a tick in that box which wasn't there before, so I think I've set it to image stabilization, 1080p, 30 frames per second. I haven't figured out how to actually change the instructions to English. I don't even know if that option is there. I can't see it anywhere in the write-up here, or I've missed it. But yeah, I've left a question on the seller's site asking them if there's an option to set it to English, because that is a little bit annoying, to be polite. No, it's no good. I thought I'd cracked it. I think I've got the image stabilization on, but date and time. Oh, look at that. Somehow or other I found date and time. 1970 makes you think this is a very old camera, doesn't it? (2021) January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Yep. Date 22nd. How about press the one on the back? Will that move us on? Or will that move us on? Right, let's press that one. Yeah, that's moved us on. So, is that going to be the time? 29.72G. What could that possibly be? No idea what that is. I'm looking for date and time. (2020) date on there. Don't know what that is. Oh, that's reset it. Oh. What? That just did a reset, didn't it? So I went through all that and wasted it. So what options have we got there? Video, slow loop, lapse. Okay, don't want any of that. Hold that in a bit longer. Right. Oh, wait a minute. I'm in English. Oh gosh. Well, whatever I did there, somehow or other I flicked it into English. Or have I? 1080p, 30 frames per second. Keep it simple. EIS. Turn on. Yes. Okay, we're making progress, apparently. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi information. Reset Wi-Fi. Light source auto. LED indicator. Ah, right. Well, we've cracked it. I've no idea how I did it, but I do appear to have cracked it. Modo Kosha, or Gotcha. That's car mode, isn't it? Language, English. There we go. Date format, year, month, day, yes. Time set, yes, we want to do that. No, that's date set, but never mind. 21. Yeah, that's correct. Press that one on the front again. So if we go down to date set, no, that's format, isn't it? So that's going to format the card. Well, that's fine. And that's when it reset, wasn't it? Time set. Hour. Right, we got there somehow. So hour is, at this moment in time, 21. Seven seconds. I'll do. Right. Well, I've no idea how I did that, but I've managed to get it into English. And I just keep knocking the camera now. So press that button on the back. Press OK to exit. That's like all of them usually say. So we're 1080p, 30 frames per second with image stabilization switched on. I'll just hold that in again. Let's see if we can see. No, I didn't want to do that. What's that one? Field of view. Wide, middle, narrow. Turn off. Okay, press the front button again. Language. Well, that's where it is, but how I got there, I don't know. Press the button, English. I got all the others now. Right, happy now. At least we can read what it tells us. 15 minutes, plus all the time I wasted earlier. I've done a little video with it, just to test that it does actually film okay and record. And it does produce files that my camera doesn't like. So we'll try it at 1080p and see if my camera can handle that. Hold the button in on the front. Hold that button, press OK to exit. Right, I'll just do a little bit of video, 1080p, 30 frames per second with image stabilization. And I'll put that on the end of this video. Right, we're filming 1080p, 30 frames per second, image stabilization switched on. I won't do anything clever, I'll just sort of swing around a little bit. It's a bit late at night. Let's get up, walk towards the... Okay, well that'll do for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.